Hey guys, Nick here at High Octane Classics. Well, let's take a look at this recent arrival, this beautiful Factory 5 Cobra. As you can see, it's shown in stunning British racing green over white stripes, correct Halibut style wheels. This car was built from the ground up. It was not a donor car build. The build did start in 2014 and ended in 2016. It is powered by a Gen 2 Coyote crate motor. It's not a wrecking yard engine. It's not used. It was brand new at the time of the build. Backed by a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. Has 4-wheel Willwood brakes all the way around. Gorgeous stainless steel side pipes. The paint finish on the car is very nice. Does have some minor imperfections as it is used, but very, very nice overall. Take a look at the trunk. Original manual, all carpeted out. Driver's side just as nice. No large imperfections. The paint finish is nice and flat. It's been wet sanded and buffed to a very high quality level. Take a look at the interior. Leather trimmed buckets, electric gauges. There's that Tremec 5-speed transmission and that beautiful wood 3-spoke steering wheel. Does have Simpson racing harnesses to keep you inside. It is a wonderful Mark IV Cobra that was built to drive and enjoy. Again, no reused parts on this car. Everything was brand new when it was built. It's a very high quality Cobra that somebody can get in and drive across the country if they want to. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. We'll be more than happy to help.